Okay, so I did a thing. Most of you know that I've launched my spice mixes on my Etsy shop. Here I have one for enchilada sauce, another for Mexican rice seasoning, and I'm going to show you how to make both. You guys asked for a demo, so here we go. In a preheated pan over medium heat, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Now I'm going to empty the entire package of the enchilada red sauce mix, and the ingredients and recipe is also on the back of the package. So I'm going to shake that in. And now I'm just going to give it a mix and combine well. Once that is combined and mixed well, I'm going to slowly pour in 2 cups of water. This is room temperature water. Cool water into a hot pan equals no lumps. You're going to whisk and mix until there are no lumps. Now you'll want to simmer, and once it starts to thicken, it's done. But you want to make sure it simmers over medium heat, and once it coats your spoon, just like this, it's ready. And you can set aside. So here I'm cooking and browning 1 pound of lean ground beef, and just season how you like. I've already prepped my corn tortillas. By the way, this sauce covers around 14 to 16 of your favorite enchiladas. You can fill it how you like, use the cheese, whatever choice of cheese that you prefer, and just roll them up in a pan. And once they're all rolled, you can pour over the sauce. You'll want to spread this evenly and coat the enchiladas, and then sprinkle on the cheese of your choice. Then you'll want to cover with foil and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. Then you can remove from the oven, let them set for about 10 minutes, and serve. They're so good. On to the rice. Here in a pan over a medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and I'm going to add 1 cup of rinsed long grain rice, and I just sort of let it dry. And now I'm going to stir and lightly toast the rice. It'll be a light golden brown color. Now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of the Mexican rice seasoning mix. Now, seasoning is to your preference, so the 1.5 tablespoons is just a suggestion. So now I'm just going to combine and stir well. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And after adding the water, I'm just going to gently mix. You don't want to overmix the rice, but just enough to combine everything. Now I'm going to cover with a lid, and I'm going to bring that up to a rapid simmer, just like this. Once it starts to bubble and simmer like that, you'll want to lower the heat. And do not lift the lid. You'll want to cook this for 18 to 20 minutes. And once it's cooked, you're going to want to shut off the heat, and again, leave the lid on, don't lift it, and let it set for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you can lift the lid, take a fork, fluff, and serve. It's as easy as that. So I want to say thank you to those of you that have already ordered. I really appreciate the love that you're showing these spice mixes. You guys, you can find it on my Etsy shop, and I made a limited batch, so once these are sold out, I'm kind of done for a while. But anyways, you can find the link below this video in the description. See you guys in the next video.